Hi everyone, welcome back to my Java tutorial series. Today we are going to see the difference between JDK versus JRE versus JVM. Let's get started. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It provides a runtime environment to execute Java applications. The JVM ensures that Java program can run on any device or operating system that has a compatible JVM installed. Stick to the right ones, run anywhere principle. Whereas JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It is the implementation of the JVM that allow you to run Java applications. The JRE includes the JVM plus core libraries and other files required by the JVM at runtime. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It provides the tool needed to develop applications, including the JRE for running applications. As a summary, JVM runs Java bytecode and provides a platform-independent execution environment, whereas JRE includes the JVM and libraries to run Java applications but does not include development tools. JDK includes JRE along with tools and libraries needed for the Java development such as compiler and debugger. In short, JDK is required for Java development, writing and compiling code, while JRE is needed only for running Java applications. JVM is the core component within both JDK and JRE, enabling the execution of the Java bytecode. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorial. Until next time, happy coding.